Awesome. Welcome to this video. And today, what we'll be learning is uh, some fundamentals of digital marketing, some basic terms that I'll be saying again and again. I'll be repeating, and that is we are going to learn. And these are very important terms in digital marketing space, right? So we get started with traffic, leads, funnels, audiences, analytics, and customer behavior. So there are lots of things, but these are the most important. So I want to get started with them. So traffic. What is traffic? Traffic is nothing. Traffic is just the number of people. That's it. Traffic is nothing. Traffic is the people who are visiting your landing pages. That is called traffic. So if your page, if there are 100 people who are visiting your pages, then we will say that traffic is 100. If there are 20 people who are visiting on your landing pages, then we will say the traffic is 20. So that is called traffic. People are called traffic, right? So in the roads also, when you say that the traffic is too high, that means the road is jammed, the things are not working, right? That kind of thing happen on website also. So when people are a lot of people are visiting your website, then we say that traffic is too high, the traffic is too low, the traffic is too medium, there is no traffic, the traffic has blasted the website. So that's why they're called traffic, right? So that is just traffic, the number of people. And that's what traffic is. Leads are nothing. Leads are the details of the people, or you can say leads are also the people, but they are the people who are actually interested in your products, in your services, or they have registered or signed up with you for some reason. That's why they are leads. Leads are basically a prospect which can later be converted for a transaction, for a monetary transaction. That's why they are called leads, right? So if I am suppose sharing my book for free, and I say just sign up, share your details, and I'll deliver this box to your mailbox for free, right? So eventually they'll be sharing their email ID with me, they'll share their phone number with me, then I'll have their contact details with me, and then they'll become a lead for me. Then now they know me, they trust me, and they believe me. So with that, I'll get a permission that I'll be sending you regular emails in your mailbox, and I'll be connecting with you again and again and again and again. And they'll become a lead, and eventually I'll try to make them a paid customer at a later stage. So that's why they're called leads. So then we have funnels. Let's see. Funnel is nothing. AIDA, the structure which I have mentioned, that is called funnels. But in these thing, funnels are basically, it's nothing. AIDA, taking the customer from awareness to the action, right? So I don't know, like suppose if I have to sell this headphone, suppose I have to sell this headphone, and I can't just directly place an ad and this will sell itself, right? People need to first of all know about that this belongs to boat. So that is the awareness. So as soon as they'll see both, so they'll believe that this would be a good product, this would be a good quality product, and then they'll try to differentiate the price in their mind, they'll start comparing it with different things, right? So that's what funnels are. Because bot has already some ads with Kartik Aryan, so it has already created the awareness, it has already created the interest, and then finally when it says that get this product for 500 rupees or 1000 rupees or $35, then that is actually what that is a sale, that is action, right? So that are called funnels. We'll be learning that in complete details. Then we have audiences is nothing. Audiences is a pool of people, right? So if I have to sell this product, right, suppose I have got a task to sell this product, and this is the product which belongs to my client or me, right? I want to sell this. So I can't sell this product to a person who is 65 years of age or 55 years of age or 45 years of age. Those people are not that much convenient or comfortable with technologies. The people like us, the younger one, okay, I'm not young. I got your point, right? So the people who are in teens, right, from 15 to 25 or 35, so it's easy to sell this product to those people. Both boys and girls would be the perfect person. And the person who has interest in fitness, because people love to wear wireless headphones while during having their exercises and that kind of stuff, right? So fitness kind of thing, they can use this. So that what I'm doing is I'm building my audience for this product. That is called audience. Age 15 to 35, uh, interests, fitness, and boys and girls, so a college going student. So that is audience. So we'll be talking about it a lot in the further sections. Analytics. See, in digital marketing, the best as many times I can say best, right? So the best part is the analytics. You can track every single thing, how many people visited your website, what are the actions the person has taken. You can even record the screens of the person who are visiting your landing pages. You have that much power, right? So analytics will be analyzing all the stuffs, whatever happening, the ads we are running, the pages going on, and everything will be analyzing every single thing, and will be using those analytics to make decisions, right, in the ads manager while we are running ads on the pages, right? Understanding, by understanding those signals only, will be making the changes, right? So we will see that 15 to 20 years of age is working awesome. We got 15 sales, out of which 12 sales is from people who are in the age of 15 to 20. That's the best signal we can have, right? Then we can scale our ad budget on people who are between 15 to 20. So this is the analytics, right? We'll be learning. There are various analytics tool, Google Analytics, Hotjar Analytics, and Facebook also provides you some analytics. So there are various analytics tool. We'll be learning them as we go on the go, right? And then consumer behavior. Obviously every consumer has his own type of behavior, right? The same consumer, the same person, when he is going to a temple, when he is going to a party club, when he is going to a thela wala, or when he is going to thela wala is called a street vendor in India. So so when you go to a street vendor, or when you go to a five-star restaurant, right? The same person has different mentalities. That same person, right? If that same person is going to a temple, then then he'll have different behavior as compared to when he is into club, right? As compared to when he is into business. So you have to understand the consumer behaviors related to your product and use all the stuff to market and to build the products, right? So these are the fundamentals of digital marketing. You have to keep all these six things in your mind. I'll be using these terms again and again, right? So that it doesn't go out of your mind. And if you have any questions, you know the source, Deepak at the rate thedigischolars.com. You can drop me a message there, an email there, or if you need any assistance, then you can reach me back with Facebook group, right? So that's all for today, and see you in the next session. Bye bye, take care.